जिंदगी है अगर बिखरेगी नहीं तो निखरेगी कैसे, जिंदगी है अगर बिखरेगी नहीं तो निखरेगी कैसे, उलझेगी नहीं तो सुलझेगी कैसे। इस दुनिया में उस शख्स को कोई हरा ही नहीं सकता जिसने चलना ही ठोकरे से सीखा हो। I'm very excited to call Anabia ma'am. Please come on the stage. Give a beautiful hand for Anabia ma'am.
Assalamu alaikum and a very warm good morning to all of you. First of all, I would like to extend my deepest gratitude to Global Spoken English for providing us with a wonderful platform to enlighten our brain and develop our personalities. I am Anabia Khan. I am daughter of Mr. Muhammad Faisal Khan. Today, I am standing here to deliver a speech. My topic name is Our Dreams and Goals. Before starting my speech, I want to say some beautiful lines in Hindi. जिंदगी जीना आसान नहीं होता, बिना संघर्ष के कोई महान नहीं होता। जिंदगी जीना आसान नहीं होता, बिना संघर्ष के कोई महान नहीं होता। Now I want to say some beautiful lines in English too. Study hard and focus on your goals. One day you will be proud of yourself. Now I am going to start my speech. Dreams are like the fuel that drive us forward. They are the big pictures, ideas of what we want to achieve in life. Goals, on the other hand, are the steps we take to turn those dreams into reality. Imagine you are planning a trip to a place you have always wanted to visit. The dream is the destination and the goals are the flight you book, the hotel you reserve and the itinerary you plan. For me, dream and goals are like the two sides of the same coin. You need big dreams to inspire you and smart goals to get you there. Dreams give us direction and motivation, and goals give us a roadmap and deadlines. Achieving goals build confidence and momentum, and pursuing dreams teaches us resilience and adaptability. So what's your dream? Is it to start a business or make a difference in your community? Start small, stay focused and keep pushing. Your dreams are worth it, and with the right goals you can make it happen. Before ending my speech, I want to say some beautiful lines in Hindi. जिंदगी में कुछ पाना हो तो खुद पर एतबार रखना, जिंदगी में कुछ पाना हो तो खुद पर एतबार रखना, सोच पक्की और कदमों में रफ्तार रखना। मंजिल मिल ही जाएगी एक दिन निश्चित तुम्हें, मंजिल मिल ही जाएगी एक दिन निश्चित तुम्हें, बस खुद को आगे बढ़ने के लिए तैयार रखना। Now I want to say some beautiful lines in English too. When your mind is weak, situation is a problem. When your mind is balanced, situation is a challenge. And when your mind is strong, situation is an opportunity. I wrap up my speech with a message that it's been a great experience to share my views with you all wonderful people. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.